Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this glitch on your mouse scroll wheel. So this glitch happens, what it does is when you try to scroll with your mouse on the scroll wheel, it's going to just adjust your volume up or down. And that's pretty annoying. So I'm going to show you how to fix this glitch if you don't know how. Alright, so you're going to go here, search control panel, right here. Alright, now up here, view by, it'll say categories, change it to large icons. Go to mouse. Alright, now go to hardware. Now properties. Now click driver. Uninstall. Okay. Alright, now your mouse is just going to disappear. So now what you're going to need to do is unplug your mouse and plug it back in. Alright, as you can see, my mouse is now working again properly. So yeah guys, that's how you're gonna fix this glitch with your mouse scroll wheel. And like this video if you were born on your birthday. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.